Hello guys, welcome to Technical Math VBM channel, and in this video I will show you how to write fractions in ascending order and in descending order. You can see that ordering the fractions, or you can say that from lowest to highest and highest to lowest fraction. So let's start this video. In this video I will show you 2 to 3 different questions which cover all the condition that is given in the exam, and we will do this question. Here on screen you can see that you can see 4 over 25, 3 over 25, 6 over 25, 8 over 25 and 2 over 25. These are 5 different fractions and we have to write in ascending order. First of all, understand the concept ascending order. Here these are stairs where we are on this point, and when we go from lowest to highest, means from sequentially you go from lowest to highest. This is called ascending order. So start from here. Here you can see that 25, 25, 25, 25, 25 is the denominator that is same on all fractions. So when you see that the denominator is same in all fractions, then you just have to arrange the values. So first 2 over 25, the second is 3 over 25, and the third is 4 over 25, and next is 6 over 25, and the next is 8 over 25. This is the fraction that is written in ascending order. Now if you want to write in descending order, then you have to reverse the values. 8 over 25, 6 over 25, 4 over 25, 3 over 25 and 2 over 25. This is called descending order. Got this concept? So we will perform the another question. You can see that 2 over 5, 6 over 10, 7 over 25, and you can see that 2 by 3 over 50. Guys, this question 2 over 5, 6 over 10, 7 over 25 and 3 over 50. This is the fractions. These are the fractions we have to write in ascending order. So first of all, the first step is to take the LCM of these denominators, and beside this you can take that here is 50, make all denominator 50. How to make? It's very simple. Take first fraction 2 by 5, multiply this number with 10, this with 10, that is equal to 2 10s are 20 over 50. 6 by 10, multiply with 5 that is equal to 30 over 50, and the next is 7 by 25, multiply with 2 that is equal to 14 by 50, and the next is 3 by 50 that is equal to 3 by 50. In this situation you can see that all the denominators are same, means 50, 50, 50 and 50. So 20 over 50, 30 over 50, 4 over 50 and 3 over 50. So the lowest value is 3 over 50, and 14 by 50 means 7 by 25, and the next is 30. 30 gets the answer from 6 by 10, and the last one is 2 by 5. This is in ascending order. Student, got the idea? We make all the denominators same. After making the same denominator, we can easily judge which is largest and which is smallest fraction. This is an in ascending order. Reverse these fraction, that will become in descending order. Very simple. And we can do another question. Here we have a question that is 3 over 5, 4 over 10, 6 over 9 and 7 over 15. This is the question, and we have to write it in ascending order and in descending order. So in this question we will take an LCM. Denominator are all denominators are different, and none of the denominator is factor of any denominator. So we will take 5, 10, 9 and 15. We will take LCM. First of all, this will be divided on 2, 5 as it is, 2 5s are 10, 9 as it is, and 15. Again it will divide on 3, 5 5, 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are, now again it will divide on 3, 3 1s are 5, here 5, 1 1 1 1 1. Now multiply these all prime factors. 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 18 5s are 90. So in this situation LCM is 90. LCM is 90. Now take this fraction 3 over 5. Take this 5, divide on 90. 5 1s are, 5 1s are, and 5 1s are 5, 4 5 8s are 18. So 3 multiplied by 18, 5 multiplied by 18, this fraction will become 54 divided by 90. Then we multiply these two numbers. Now take this 10, divide on 90. 10 1s are, 10 9s are, simply 4 by 10 multiply by this 9. 3 4s are 4 9s are 36 over 90, second fraction. Now take this 9, divide by 90. 9 1s are, 9 1s are, again you get the you get an answer 10. So take this fraction 6 by 9 multiply by 10, this 10, it will be 60 divided by 90. In this question now 90 divided by this 15, 15 6 are, answer is 6. 7 over 15 multiply by 6, 42 divided by 90. Student, got the idea? Now you can see that all the denominators are same. Now it's very it becomes simple for us to identify which is smallest and which is largest fraction. Now just look at the answers. It 54, 36 and 60 and 42. You can see that 36 is the smallest answer in these. So 36 is gets with the fraction of 4 over 10. After that 42 by 90 is 7 over 15. After that 54, that is their answer get from 3 over 5, and the last one is 6 over 9. This is the fraction that is written in ascending order. We follow the procedure. We did this with the help of LCM method. This is not a shortcut, but this is a guaranteed procedure to make your question correct. And if you want to write in descending order, then first value will be this, second this, third this, and fourth one this. This is the complete process to solve this question. I hope so you student got the idea. If you still have any problem, you can comment under the video. And thanks for watching this video. Subscribe Technical Math VBN channel to watch more videos like this.